Good luck, guys. Here we go. Flawless Football Dual Box Break number 35. See Neil right here. Rusty Blade, see Neil. Cut you with it. Another 5 for Fun football. Last night's 5 for Fun was on fire, man. That was a fire. 5 for fire. Should call it 5 on fire instead of 5 for Fun from now on. We'll light the boxes on fire before the break starts. And put it out and open them. It's been a while since I saw the silver flawless briefcases, man. I mean, that was flawless football in a while. Good luck. That is so funny. That's just the way it happens sometimes. First card of the break, Tim Brown. 5 out of 25. Tim Brown. Tim Brown goes to Boom Shakalaka. AKA AZ Cardman and all the other usernames. Next up, 9 out of 15, Eddie Lacy. CBR 2015. On the board. Last name on the checklist, Zach Ertz, 24 of 25. Hashtag, oh, no hashtag, just ignore Janikowski without the hashtag. That's Will Janikowski. There he is, Kenbrell Tompkins, 21 out of 25. Tyler, 34. Hey, Tomas. Hi. That's Tyler getting a hit. I don't know who Kenbrell Tompkins is, but there you go. You got him. 9 of 25. Giovanni Bernard. Gio goes to Sports Nutso. Patch autograph 4 out of 25. Stevie Johnson. Stevie. Big Bucks. Big Bucks. Or actually, Big Buck with a 5. I don't know if it's Big Buck 5 or Big Bucks. I'm going to put the 5 on the paper, though. Maybe it's both. Greats, dual patch auto, Jackie Slater. 4 out of 15. Jackie Slater goes to Whiz Kid Ma.
There's a piece of glass in it.
From earlier?
Yep.
Patch autograph, 9 out of 25, Torrey Smith. Torrey Smith goes to Shubat. Nice looking patch on that one. 4 color with some blood right there. Is that blood? Some DNA on that one, maybe. Might not even be his blood. Shubat. Kool-Aid. Could be Kool-Aid. Some Gatorade, Powerade, Kool-Aid. Could be anything. Alright, we got a bedazzled card. It is Andre Johnson, 4 out of 20. Andre Johnson goes to Sports Nutso. Wow, did you go 2 for 2? 2 for 2 Sports Nutso? Look at that. I think you went 2 for 2. He had 2 hits. Not sure how many he bought, though. Getting your money's worth right there. And the autograph is absolutely freaking disgusting. Who needs a full case, right, guys? Who needs a full case? Not us. We don't need one. 9 of 10 with all kinds of dirtiness. Peyton Manning. Patch auto. Rubber Band Man 10. Holy cow. Check it out. Greats gold. One spot mojo right there. Rubber Band Man. One spot in it for some Peyton Manning. Yep. Box 2. Smoking. Am I missing something though? Hold on a second. Isn't it like basketball? Aren't we supposed to get a jumbo patch? We got no jumbo patches in that box. 0. There's no jumbo patches in that box. That's weird. Just saying, it's weird. Usually, I've seen some where we only got 1. I'm not sure. I don't know. I gotta have to revisit. It's been a long time since I opened this stuff. It was just all autos. Oh, sick. 2 out of 10. Randall Cobb. Randall Cobb going to K-Daddy. K-Daddy. Randall Cobb. Nice. Right next, Richard Sherman, 17 out of 25. Sherman goes to Boston's dad. Oh, no skunk job. Wow, no skunk job. Even gets the Shermanator. Nice. Curse that skunk. Mike Evans, rookie auto, 5 out of 15. Mike Evans going to JT Pabs. Nice one there. True rookie. Next up, we got a green CJ Spiller, 5 out of 5. I think that's Gem. Gem can't be stopped with C.J. Spiller. That's Jose. Green Spiller. Next up, Justin Weedman. 16 out of 25. Justin Blackman goes to JB. 15, 385. Three-color patch auto. Weedies. There's a jumbo patch. We get him in this box. Tom Savage, 23 of 25. Tom Savage. So good. Sci-fi guy. Sci-fi guy on the board. We got one more jumbo patch right behind it. It's another rookie jumbo patch. It's another rookie quarterback jumbo patch. Teddy B! 17 out of 25. Teddy Bridgewater. Who's got Teddy B? JB, 15, 385. Event worn. And an autographed one-colored patch coming next. What's the, there's a two-color, a little blue on there and some dirt. Demaryius Thomas, 8 out of 15. Nice. Who's got Demaryius? JB, 15, 385. Comes out with 3 hits all of a sudden. Back-to-back right there, too. That's John. Alright, 2 cards left. A bedazzled card and an encased auto. The bedazzled. Terrence West, 3 of 5 Emerald. Rookie. Who's got Terrence? Johnny Case. Case 32-23. Terrence West. And it's encased autograph time. Here we go. First one was Peyton Manning. Second one is freaking disgusting. Same set from the same set. Greats auto patch. Man, who needs full cases? Who needs them? This is going to CBR 2015. 3-color Dan the Man. Very nice. Dan Marino, 17 out of 25. CBR 2015. Pretty disgusting. There you go. Congrats, Montre. Nice couple of encased QB patch autos, guys. That was a fun break. Congrats to the winners. Thanks, everybody, for joining. Until next time, peace.